In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on PayPal. To receive money on PayPal, you'll need to follow this step. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to create a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, sign up for a free PayPal account using your email address or mobile number. Confirm your email address to activate your account. Now get paid via email or mobile number. When someone sends you money, PayPal will notify you via message. You can access the received funds on your PayPal account homepage. You can have two options such as transfer your money to your bank account or keeping in your balance. And an additional confidence layer to enhance security, PayPal now allows senders to send direct link with recipients, making it easier for them to access and redeem the money. Remember to keep your PayPal account secure and be aware of any limitations or verifications that PayPal may impose on large or suspicious amounts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.